Hey guys, Danielle here with GLI's educational series, If I Can Do It, So Can You. Today I have special guest, Brian Frost, our Director of Marketing, and we're going to discuss how to properly install your skimmer insert for a new liner. Let's dive in. All right guys, so we're down here in a pool and we're going to show you exactly how to install our new 1085 2OM skimmer insert. So Brian, what's the first thing we got to do to ready this skimmer for its new liner?
Well, Danielle, thank you first for finally having me on your show.
I know.
I do appreciate it. I've only been doing this for 30 years now. But,
only 30.
So the skimmer insert's really a great thing from ColorMagic on pool renovations to help hide the unsightly skimmer because they color over time.
Yeah, this one's pretty dirty.
Very simple. You have to do this before the liner is actually installed.
Okay.
Okay. And basically you put your skimmer insert together.
Which we already have a video on.
And just simply slide it in.
Slide it in.
And that's all there is to it.
Okay.
That's the first part.
Part one.
Second part is you have to put your gasket on before the liner goes in as well. So in order to do that, you simply line up your gasket.
Find those holes, because you got to make sure that the holes line up for the screws.
And then you tape it in place. Just like that.
What kind of tape do we have here, Brian, that we're using today?
We're just using some simple duct tape here.
Simple duct tape, okay.
Yeah. So now we have that all in place and lined up.
I'm so helpful.
And then the final thing we have to do is install the weir.
Okay.
So there's a new colored weir with this as well. So now once you get your new liner in there, all of your fixtures are colored, you know, in a color to be able to match your liner.
Perfect.
Okay.
And so this is all set.
This is all set. The weir simply goes in here like this. And snaps into place.
All right, guys, that was pretty easy. If I can do it, so can you.
And so can I.
All right, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.